The certification reveals that the Vivo X Fold 6 will feature a dual-cell battery. Typical capacity could be 6,900 mAh, with 80W wired and 40W wireless charging. Several reports have claimed that Vivo will announce the Vivo X Fold 6 foldable phone in June in China. The Vivo X Fold 6 will be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 flagship chipset. The Fold 6 is also expected to feature a 200MP camera, feature a 50MP periscope telephoto lens, and a 50MP ultra-wide camera, alongside dual 20-megapixel selfie cameras, and features an 8.03-inch AMOLED inner display and a 6.53-inch AMOLED cover screen, both with 120Hz refresh rate, up to 4,500 nits peak brightness, and HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The X Fold 6 is expected to be a major competitor in the 2026 foldable market, focusing on camera advancements and refined performance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.